So here is a kitchen that I just finished building for a customer. It is decked out and has everything. It has soft close doors, soft close drawers, all by the Bloom company. It's got big pot and pan drawers. It's got inserts from Rev-A-Shelf, but my favorite thing of all is it has a Rev-A-Shelf garbage can pullout that I've been using in pretty much all of my custom cabinet jobs. Right here. This Rev-A-Shelf garbage pullout is the Cadillac of all garbage can pullouts. It has everything. In this video, I'm going to show you pretty much all the bells and whistles, why you should get one, the different sizes they make, and almost how to install it. So let's get started. Welcome back to Doing It with Jason. I'm Jason, and today I'm going to be talking all about the Rev-A-Shelf bottom mount Rev-A-Motion waste container pullout. Yes, that was a lot of words. It is by far one of my favorite trash pullouts ever made. It's got the Rev-A-Motion, which is amazing. They're the only ones that have it. So these come in two different sizes. One is the single version, which comes with a really cool little space for, garbage bags or whatnot, little accessories for your garbage can. And then they also have another version, which is the double like this. I believe these are 35 quart. And it's actually sideways like this and fits two, just like I showed in the beginning of the video or right here. Now let's talk about how this thing works and how cool and easy it is to install in your cabinet. So first thing, I'm just going to take off this door, which I loosened the screws already to make it a little easier. And there we go. So it's got these mounts that you'll mount on your door. So the internals on these bad boys is what's cool. So let's take out the can and I'm going to show you the Rev-A-Motion. So the Rev-A-Motion is this. So basically it is that little hydraulic thing right there. And that's what does all the work and makes this thing really unique and cool. That's a mosquito. Damn you. So let's talk about the Rev-A-Motion part and how cool it is. So let's pretend this is mounted to our bottom of our cabinet. So I'm gonna have to just hold it here, bear with me. And then once you pull the drawer open, once you get halfway, it opens the rest of the way like that. Really, really cool. And then same thing, it's this hydraulic little deal up in there. Same thing, when you get it, you'll feel it in like a little nice little tension spot once you get halfway there, so it'll stay as well. But you get to that point and boom, it's soft close, automatic, really cool. Never had a customer complain about these. They love the snot out of them. Now, the construction of these bad boys is by far amazing. For the cost, really, really nice. Dovetailed solid maple construction, and then you get these really, really nice heavy-duty ball bearing slides that are in there. And that is what gives you just a nice, really smooth and really, really strong. These, can hold a lot of garbage. And then the hydraulics is what makes the soft close work. So the ease of installation, and I'll show you that right here, is there. You have these 4 spots where you can screw it down to the base of your cabinet, the bottom underneath, and that is it. So whether you're building custom cabinets from scratch and ordering these for your customers, super nice, super easy. You don't have to worry about making one of these. You don't have to dovetail. You don't have to build a drawer for it. You don't have to worry about this awesome. There's no way you're going to replicate their Rev-A-Motion. So this is a super cool upgrade. Or if you are a homeowner and you're just looking to throw one of these in your cabinets, it's really easy to do. All you have to do is make sure the bottom of your cabinet is flush. So you can't have a lip or anything because that'll get in the way with the way these are mounted. Worst case is if you have a 3/4 inch lip like some cabinets do, just put a piece of plywood that you cut and fit in there, bolt it down, and then bolt this down to that, and you have no worries at all. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell to get notified if you haven't already. We'll see you next time.